Did you know that one man's sacred art became the greatest spiritual fraud in Russian history? In 1878, Master Fyodor Rublev painted holy icons at Trinity Lavra Monastery. His hands created beautiful religious art that touched souls across Russia. But Fyodor had no idea what was really happening to his work. Church officials were taking his fresh paintings and making them look ancient. They rubbed dirt into the paint. They cracked the wood. They invented stories about miracles. Then they sold these fake relics to desperate families whose children were dying. Mothers spent their last coins believing these icons would heal their babies. Fathers prayed before Fyodor's art, thinking it was blessed by saints from centuries ago. The corruption ran deep through the church itself. When Fyodor discovered the truth, his world shattered. His sacred calling had become a weapon against the faithful. He faced an impossible choice: stay silent and keep his reputation, or expose the fraud and destroy everything he had built. Sometimes protecting others means sacrificing yourself.